Ever copied and pasted the same function just to change the type? Generic functions eliminate that duplication while keeping your code type safe. A generic function uses angle bracket syntax with a type parameter. You place the type variable in angle brackets after the function name, like function identity of t, taking an argument of type t and returning type t. The t is a placeholder that TypeScript will replace with the actual type. The magic happens at call time. When you invoke the function, TypeScript resolves the type parameter. If you call identity with a string, t becomes string. Call it with a number, and t becomes number. The type parameter acts as a variable for types themselves. In practice, generic functions shine with data structures. A getFirstItem function works with arrays of any type. Whether you have an array of numbers, strings, or custom objects, one generic function handles them all with full type safety. TypeScript can infer the type from your arguments, so you don't always need to specify it explicitly. And when you need to limit acceptable types, use the extends keyword to add constraints. For example, tExtends has length ensures your type has a length property. Master generic functions to write reusable, type-safe code that scales. Practice using them in your next TypeScript project. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.